Alright, this is Mari and Moss's first review video. So we just came back from Safeway and we tried to get cream cheese, but ended up getting 3 different types of country fried steak. We got Boston Market, we got Banquet, which was $3, and we got Mari, which is coincidentally my wife's name. Oh, sorry, I can't show her in the video. My wife just told me this is pronounced Marie, not Mari. Alright, so we got the oven ready. We're preheating it. These bad boys are going to be in there for 45 minutes, and we will tune back in when we're eating them. It's me again. I said I'd tune back when we're eating them, but here's what they look like outside of the packages. I'm angling it so you can see it. And this is what the first one looks like. Kablam. Kablam. Nice. Okay. Alright, let's see how they turn out. Oh man, here's another update. This is actually not beef, it's an actual chicken. So it's not exactly apples to apples, tomatoes to potatoes, but we'll see. Maybe it might taste like beef, who knows. So this is what my life would look like if my wife ever died and I had to make ready meals for myself. This one is super sad. We didn't realize the patty would be so tiny. But the other ones look promising. This is the one that was $3 on sale. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, so we're gonna take a bite. We're gonna rate it. I don't know why I thought it would be crunchy. It's... Okay, let's try and scoop that up. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's not bad.
Corn is fresh.
Corn is fresh. Let's try some mashed potato. Yeah. Mashed potatoes don't have flavor. I give this meal 5 out of 10. How about you, Marissa?
4.
4 out of 10. Let me try some more of this. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, I agree with you. 4 out of 10. We're saving the Boston one for last because we're guessing that it's going to be the best. But this first one that we tried, the texture was okay. I would say that the flavor is just bland. You know, like when we tried the mashed potatoes, there wasn't really any salt or any like butter or seasoning or anything like that. And even the patty itself for the chicken fried steak, it was okay. The breading didn't really have flavor either. It didn't have that fried oily taste. I don't know, what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? The next one looks better, yeah, least. It does look better. Yeah, this next one is the Imposter. Is this gravy or is this mashed potato?
That's mashed and then the gravy's on this side. The gravy looks a little better.
Alright, I'm gonna try it with some mashed potato. So hot.
Flavor is still, yeah.
Yeah. That's definitely chicken. You know what? I'm not gonna even lie. I can't even tell the difference. That one's beef. That one's chicken, but both taste like chicken.
The mash is worse than that mash.
This one, at least, it's a little bit thick.
I like that mash better.
This one's a little bit thicker. Better mash on this one.
Maybe because this is supposed to be chicken, so maybe that's why. The corn is better over there too.
Corn is better? Alright,
yeah.
So better side dishes on this one. I need to try it with some gravy. Then I can judge it for real.
Yeah, the gravy's not as good.
Probably gonna burn my mouth.
Oh, it's really hot, babe.
Okay, I'll try it later.
I want this one.
Alright, try with that one.
I blew it off a little bit.
Alright.
Did you have some gravy?
Huh.
Oh,
so hot. I like the breading a little bit better on this one, but you're right. The sides are better on this one. The side dishes are better. Okay, moment of truth. This is the best one. I mean, we're gonna try it. Totally unbiased. Bling blong. Alright. Mmm. Yeah? Is that the best one? Oh, she's still chewing it. It's really hot. Even the mashed potatoes are better.
Gravy's better, yeah.
Gravy's better. Everything's better. Great.
No corn, but
No
we
corn,
can
but
live without it.
yeah, we don't need it. The mashed potatoes nice and fluffy. It's textured and it also has some flavor. Has some salt and pepper to it. This actually tastes kind of fried. Like,
And it looks like an actual meat
it looks like, yeah,
compared to this one.
an actual meat compared to this one.
It's really blurry.
We're looping back to the rating system. So this one, I would say, because it has more meat, I would give it a solid 5 or 6. What about you?
But I like the mash and the corn better on that one.
Okay, so do we raise this one to a 5 or 6,
I
or
would say
do
it's
we
even.
drop
Like
this to a
4.
4? All right, both y'all get 4s. This one, solid 7. Would not take this over a fresh cooked country fried steak, but I would say it's a good meal, good quality meal. Yeah, it's nice
Yeah.
potatoes. Yeah, I can't cook, so it's the best I'm gonna get.
The packaging cooked the best.
Mm.
These ones like both melted a little bit.
Both melted.
Yeah. That one was the sturdier one.
That's good. All right, so wish us luck. We're gonna eat the rest of this by ourselves. We're gonna tune out now. Check in every Monday for more shitty food reviews. Like, bye-bye. Oh, and also subscribe. Okay, see you next week.